When we have a dream, we invest our time, our mind, our heart. Our dreams are built on hard work, patience, and persistence. These are embedded in our culture, strengthened through generations. So when opportunities knock, we are ready to chase our dreams and own them. Here in Ilocos Norte, we take care of your dreams. We understand the importance of having adequate support, forged through partnership and a strong sense of community, and a collective will to thrive. We recognize that dreams are best realized at the right place and at the right time. That there are spaces where everyone can dream boldly under the Ilocos sun. We share the same ideals that growth and economic progress should be inclusive, and that value for money is king. These have always been part of our resolve to empower others to realize their dreams, inspire everyone with what they can achieve. Pave the way for modernity and innovation, develop spaces and create jobs, generate gainful employment, and boost the local economy. Ensure access to significant financial incentives. Provide essential support and assistance. Ilocos Norte offers strong business opportunities, coupled with diverse resources and competent workforce. We invite you to join us in realizing our vision to be one of the major investment hubs in the country, to create a brighter future for every Ilocano, for every Filipino. Innovate, inspire, invest. Ilocos Norte.